any of you know what an energy vampire is?
Vampire costumes are all the rage this Halloween. But Lucas Garrison isn't your ordinary Twilight True Blood creature of the night.
I am a vampire that sucks energy from your house if you leave your water on when you brush your teeth, or when you leave your lights on when you're not in the house.
Lucas is in this getup to help other kids his age learn a lesson. His display is part of a Sumner County 4-H program called Keeping Green, part of the statewide Energizing Tennessee curriculum. Here kids discover the world that flows all around us, like how this flash paper becomes instant chemical energy.
There's nothing there.
4-Hers also visit information booths at the Sumner County Extension Office, where they learn about recycling and conservation. They also see and feel how energy can travel through our atmosphere and our bodies. No shock here, just staying current on the latest science. Lucas's mom, Bridget, is also a 4-H program assistant who teaches these kids about the importance of protecting our world and saving energy.
If you start them at a young age, they're going to carry it on with them as they get older, and hopefully they're going to utilize it in their homes and in their future and have a better tomorrow with energy conservation.
Here, kids learn about the impact they can have on the environment. For instance, recycling just one aluminum can saves enough energy to run a TV set for 3 hours. 4-Hers also hear a message about efficiency. Lighting is about 20% of your electric bill each month. But switching to CFLs, compact fluorescent lamps, uses 75% less energy, and the bulbs last 10 times longer than standard ones.
They're learning about renewable and non-renewable resources, and resources aren't going to be lasting, forever and a long time. And our goal is to help them to have a brighter future and to have resources that they can use as they grow older too.
Tennessee 4-Hers have a statewide goal of saving millions of kilowatts of electricity in the coming year. If we all pitch in, it's doable. When it comes to the environment, we have one planet and one chance to save it. And sometimes the really scary thing here is how we treat our world. This is Chuck Denny reporting.